Horses out, we have Kogaralas, past to begin, Danori inside, May Dating, and in third, Smiling Julia, Mr. Slim, and Petronas is the early trailer. We have Kogaralas by about 3/4 of a length. May Dating is running by drill second, Mr. Slim, Danori inside, moving up now the outside is Smiling Julia and poor Petronas, and it's still Kogaralas by about 2.5 lengths. May Dating in second, and moving up on the outside third, Mr. Slim is Smiling Julia. As they come down at the last 150, we have Kogaralas by about 5 lengths now. Mr. Slim now in second, May Dating, Smiling Julia and Petronas, but it's still Kogaralas by about 7 lengths now over Mr. Slim, Petronas, May Dating, and finally it's Kogaralas, Mr. Slim, Petronas. Then comes number 3, May Dating, is Smiling Julia.
514, mainam nga. Kogaralas.